Well, getting in some details now, the Ministry of External Affairs on Saturday has denied permission to Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann for his travel to Paris. According to the Aam Aadmi Party, that's been denied by the MEA. The MEA has reportedly cited security reasons for denying the permission to Bhagwant Mann. Bhagwant Mann, the Punjab Chief Minister, wanted to go to the Paris Olympics to boost the morale of the Indian hockey team. He was to depart today, but as permission has been denied, he will not be able to fly to Paris, as per the details available. Let me go across to Suesha. Suesha, what do we know about the reasons why he has been denied permission?
Well, at this point, Niranjan, the focus is typically on the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has been denied permission by the MEA to officially travel to Paris with the hockey team. And in fact, the Aam Aadmi Party is taking this forward, and they're going on to blame the BJP-led centre for denying them permission, because in a tweet, they've also gone on to state and rather call out the BJP, saying that such an act undermines the spirit of our athletes, and this shows the BJP's hate towards Punjab. So very strong statements that they're putting out there for the very fact that the MEA has denied permission to Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann. But why this is particularly also important is because this is coming in the backdrop of the fact that Olympian Arjun Baboota, who missed the bronze by a whisker, who landed fourth in the 10-meter air pistol rifle event, has gone on to state that he was made a promise by Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann in Punjab and also the then Sports Minister in 2022 that he will be provided a job, and he has gone on to call out the apathy of the Punjab Chief Minister and the Council of Ministers in Punjab when it comes to sports persons and how they have been sidelined. He has also gone on to state that these sports persons were not even given the kind of welcome they should at the airport, and he has called out that such promises are made on the face of it to these athletes, to these sports persons who go and represent India on an international platform, but the internal story that is completely different, because internally they are sidelined. And that becomes extremely important, because while Arjun Baboota calls out the Punjab Chief Minister, he goes on to blame the centre-led BJP, saying that there is a bias against him and he is not being allowed to go to Paris officially, and that demoralizes our athletes and the hockey team primarily. Let's listen in also, Niranjan, to what Arjun Baboota has said that puts the story into context.
स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से अभी तक मेरे को कुछ ऐसा लाभ नहीं हुआ है। जैसे उन्होंने मेरे को पहले भी 2022 में भी प्रॉमिस किया था हमारे सीएम भगवंत मान जी ने, और हमारे उस टाइम के स्पोर्ट्स मिनिस्टर थे मीत हेयर, तो उन्होंने कहा था कि नौकरियां दी जाएंगी या फिर कुछ भी, लेकिन अभी तक कभी हुआ नहीं। मैंने उनको काफ़ी बार चिट्ठी भी लिखी, लेकिन मेरे को रिप्लाई में यही आया कि अभी वेट करो, अगर एडवर्टीजमेंट निकलेगी तो आप भर दीजिएगा। तो इस मामले में थोड़ा सा निराशाजनक ही रहा है काम, एंड मैं आशा करता हूं कि अभी वो थोड़ा देखें, क्योंकि जॉब सिक्योरिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है आगे एथलीट के करियर के लिए। एंड थोड़ा सा जैसे 4th रैंक बहुत ही क्लोज होता है मेडल के, एंड इतना ख़राब परफॉर्मेंस नहीं होती है। तो मैं चाहता हूं कि वो देखें और मेरे एफर्ट्स को एक्नॉलेज करते हुए, जैसे पिछली बार ओलंपियंस को जो फाइनल में आए थे या फिर 4th या 6th रैंक आया था, जिनका उनको 50-50 लाख तक दिए थे, तो मेरे लिए भी कुछ ना कुछ वो करें। एंड